Hello. Switzerland. The capital of Switzerland is Bern, although the largest city is Zurich. It is situated in Central Europe in the Alps. The tallest peak is Mont Blanc. It is a very mountainous country. The mountain ranges are the Alps and the Jura. The highest mountain is Monte Rosa, but the Matterhorn is the most famous. The Rhine is the principal inland waterway from Basel to the North Sea. It is a landlocked country. It borders France in the west, Italy in the south, Austria, Liechtenstein and Germany in the west. The four national languages are German, French, Italian and Romansh. However, about 60% of the population is proficient in English. It is made up of 26 cantons or states which form the Confederation. It is not a member of the European Union. It became a member of the United Nations in 2002. Switzerland is one of the wealthiest countries in the world. It is famous for its watches, cuckoo clocks, and chocolate, cheese, banking system, and alpine mountain areas. Watches, cuckoo clock, chocolate, cheese, and the Swiss Guards. The Swiss Guards protect the Vatican. They have dual citizenship. The two largest lakes are Lake Geneva and Lake Constance. They mark the border of the Swiss plateau together with the Alps and the Jura Mountains. The largest completely Swiss lake is Lake Neuchâtel. Second in size is Lake Maggiore and then Lake Lucerne and Lake Zurich. All these lakes are in the four main river basins of the Rhine, the Rhone, the Po and the Danube. Fauna. Most of the fauna live in the mountains. There are ibex, chamois, and marmots, as well as other animals like deer, rabbits, badgers, squirrels, foxes, and birds. Lucerne. Lucerne is situated on Lake Lucerne and on the mountain, in the mountains. The old town is bordered in the north by the Musseg Wall. This is a 14th century rampart. The chapel bridge was built in 1333. Geneva. It is situated at the southern tip of Lake Le Mans, Lake Geneva. It is surrounded by the Jura and the Alps mountains. You can see Mont Blanc from this city. It is the headquarters of the United Nations in Europe. It is the headquarters of the Red Cross. There is a great French influence. The people speak French. The food is French too. Points of interest in Geneva. The Jet d'Eau on Lake Geneva. Saint-Pierre Cathedral, Reformation Wall, Place du Bourg de Faux, the commercial and high-end shopping centre. The Reformation Wall honours the most important people, events and documents of the Protestant Reformation. The Republic and Canton of Ticino, it is situated in the southern canton of Switzerland. Ticino borders the regions of Piedmont and Lombardy to the south. It is named after the Ticino River. It is the only canton where Italian is the only official languages. The main cities are Bellinzona, the capital city. It lies east of the Ticino River at the foot of the Alps. The city is famous for its three castles, Castelgrande, Montebello, Sasso, Corbaro. They are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Lugano. Lugano is situated in southern Switzerland. It is the 9th largest Swiss city. It lies on Lake Lugano. It is called the Monte Carlo of Switzerland because many celebrities go there. Bye-bye.